Alright, you guys, welcome back to my show today, and Happy New Year today, by the way. I found 2 trucks today. I got one of the not weird, but megalodon re-release, the black and white one. I forgot the name of this, Max Contrast. Monster Jam logo. You hear fireworks in the background of the video. There's a Nitro Neon, the Boneyard, this one, the Chase, Real Truck Action Monster Jam, Series 1 of these. They don't have a Gravedigger set too. You hear fireworks in the background, guys. I don't know if you can hear those. So, just a normal megalodon body, the Max Contrast. I'm just gonna buy this one because I sold this one, so I'm buying it again. Okay. These are at Walmart, by the way. Look how nice. I forgot how nice this was. There's black and white, guys. White tires, black rims and bead locks, black roll cage, white chassis, megalodon, the front of the face. Pretty cool. The fins are pretty nice on it, as always. Monster Jam logo. The tail. Pretty cool. That's what I got. And I have another truck to unbox after this, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video.